Hello there, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to delete your Snapchat number. What you need to do is open your Snapchat on your phone and then go to your profile on the top left corner. Go to the settings on the top right corner, and as you can see, tap on mobile number. Then, as you can see, we cannot completely delete our number. What we can do is untick Let Others Find Me using my mobile number. Doing this, others will not be able to find you using your phone number. You cannot completely delete your number, so this is the only solution. We can see a lot of videos showing that you can delete the phone number by keeping another email address or signing in from another account, but that doesn't happen. This is the only possible solution. So, that is it, my guys. This is how you delete your number in Snapchat. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, please hit the bell button so you do not miss any other notifications from us. We will meet y'all in the next video. See you soon, and until then, goodbye and take care.